Assalamu alaikum. My name is Iqbal and I am going to show you the garage management system. And now we have opened our software and this is the login screen. We have three users in the software, so an admin user can have access to all the functionality of the software, and the rest of the user can do their jobs according to whatever access they have been given by the admin. So let's log in for now. And okay, so this the password is wrong. ADMIN123. Okay, so I forgot the password and this is the admin password. And now let's copy it and we will paste it here so we can log in. So once you open the software, you will see the dashboard, and here you can see the active jobs, the monthly revenue, monthly expenses, the stock alerts, and we have and the customer counts. And here is the recent repair order. So it will show you also the status of the repair status, and the expenses will be shown here. And the critical stocks that we have, only the engine oil that we have now one left in our stock. And if you click on this stock alert, it will go directly to the stock where you can see the minimum level of stocks. And let's come again to the dashboard. So now we will be starting from this customer. You can add the customer from here. So add new customer. Here you can add the new customer like phone number, email address, and etc. You can edit the customer, you can delete the customer. Similarly, you can add the vehicle. So this is the vehicle. You can add the vehicle. For the vehicle, you need to select the customer for which this vehicle belonging to. Means that the vehicle that you are adding, the owner of the vehicle. So the registration number and the make and year, etc., all of these things you can add in the software. And you can add the mechanics here. So the mechanics you can add it here. uh, and this is all of the mechanic. You can also set the base salary of the mechanic. And if you they over time, you can set the hourly rate for that. And also you can add the bank credential here. As then we have this inventory. For the inventory, we can add or edit here, like the SKU number, and in which category it comes. You can select the, like for example, if it comes in lubricants, then you can add about the lubricants, um, like diesels, or something like engine oil, etc. So you can set, and you can also set that from whom you buy these stocks. Okay, so this is now we have the job part come. You can create a new job, and here you select the vehicle, and then you can assign the workshop technician that the workshop technician will be working on this vehicle. And you can record the mileage number, and if it is a quote, you give it to as a quote to your customer that we charge, like something like for this service how much you charge them. So you can set it as a quote. But if you create a new job, you need to uh, be in progress status, and then you can add the part from here, like engine oil. So we can add the part. So these parts that you added will all be shown here. And then you can change the quantity or the unit cost price. all of these price it will be calculated. Like for example, if it is 300, and so it will be calculated. You can also add the uh, labor cost as well. So that this is the labor job, so you can also change this. And besides that, this is the reported diagnostics mechanic statements notes. For example, what you need to do in the job and in the vehicle, you can state it here, and then you can remember that what I need to do in the this vehicle. So whenever those works were done, you can report it that we have done this, and this all bill will be calculated here in this. So I can show you one of the invoice. So this is the invoice. It will be, for example, this will show you the your workshop address and name, then the customer and his vehicle, and this is the reported problem that need to change oil and make some necessary cleanliness, and this code and job will still going on, and it is when it is done, you can note that we have done all of the above necessary things. You can add, like I have said it here, for example here. So for now we have this, and we can change it. So once like for example this job is in progress, and when it is completed, you can edit its status to compared. For example, once it is paired, so as soon as it is paired, you will be directed to payment screen, and then you can set that if the customer want to pay by card, cash, bank transfer, or check, and this is the transaction reference code. It is not mandatory. For now I am going to cancel it, and this is the car timeline, so you can see the car timelines, that which car has came to the workshop and done many jobs. So you can see all of their the cars. Like for example, once that car came, and we changed the oil, and we charge them like this and something. So this is the payroll. This is was part the car timeline. This is the payroll. You can add a payroll system. You can give salary to your employees in the workshop. Like for example, you select the staff member, then you app we added the monthly basic salaries per this type. It would have been shown here, but we haven't. But you can also set it on the fly. Like for example, if it is 2000 for example, then you can set the plate the text. If it is if there is no text, you can set it to 0. If you want to give bonus to your employees, you can also give it to them, like for example 100. And if there is any reduction, you can also deduct amount for some reasons. If the behavior of the there are many reasons, there could be many reasons that you can deduct some amount from the staff member, and you can also payroll statement notes and then you can add commit to them. So for now I am going to show you the payroll slip, that how will look like. So this is the employee details, and this is the monthly base salaries, and this is the bonus if you give bonus to the customer, and this is the plate tax rate detection. and if there are the amount that you deducted, it will also be noted here. Okay, so this was for the staff payroll, and we also have expenses controls. You can add, you can record all your expenses here, like we have did something did here. And besides, we have this report hub, which will show you all of the revenue, the gross revenue, the labor cost, and the operation expenses, and then it will uh, generate the net income of your. You can also download this uh, as a report. Okay, so now we have the stock profile. This stock profile will show you that how much money, how much income that you got from each of the your stock. For example, this engine oil was sold 2 times, and at the unit cost was this, and unit retail price was this. So the total cost was 400, and the profit per product was 50. So the total product profit was 100, and the margin percentage was 20%. So for now we have only one stock that sold, and it will show you the progress here. And this is the user control, that you can add new user, then the security. If it is admin or mechanic or receptionist, you can add these roles um, to your employees. And this is the setting. You can add your business information here along with the logo. And this is the database operation. So you can create a new backup. You can create a backup or restore your backup. So these two operations are there. So this was what this software does. Thank you very much for watching the video.